Hi, for those of you that don't know me, my name is Billie Lewis. I'm a physician assistant and I work at the Penn State Altoona Health and Wellness Center. With all of you away from campus, and we miss you greatly by the way, we wanted to do something that was a focus on health that you could see right from your own home or from your mobile device. So we decided that we would do a few short YouTube videos specifically about health and wellness initiatives. If you have recommendations that you would like to see, please comment down below. So what we're going to focus today is on sugar and just a few products that's kind of surprising about sugar. So why listen to me? I have 20 years of experience working in the medical field and I used to weigh over 300 pounds. So I discovered through my own personal journey, but also through my work seeing patients, that white sugar or sugar truly is the white death. You've probably heard of it a million times. So why is sugar bad for you? Teagan, my daughter, and future Penn State graduate, is going to give you a few reasons why too much sugar is bad for you.
Diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, headaches, fatigue, and poor concentration.
Poor concentration, exactly what we all do not need right now. So how much sugar is too much sugar? According to the World Health Organization, the average adult should be consuming no more than 24 grams of sugar per day, or about 6 teaspoons. So 1 teaspoon equals about 4 grams of sugar. According to the American Heart Association, the average American consumes, on average, about 77 grams of sugar per day. That's a lot of sugar. And so much sugar, in fact, that there's been a few studies that have come out recently that said within the next 10 years, 1 out of 5 Americans is going to have diabetes. So let's take a look at a few products and take a look at how much sugar's in them. I think it might surprise you. Teagan, do you want to pick a product?
Fruit snacks.
Welch's Fruit Snacks. And what does that say, Teagan, right there?
Fruit is our first ingredient.
So fruit is the first ingredient. Remember, these companies want you to buy their products and they want you to think that what you're getting is good for you. So let's take a look under here and see how much sugar's in 1 packet of Welch's Fruit Snacks. So in 1 packet of Welch's Fruit Snacks, there's 8 grams or 2 teaspoons of sugar. How many gummies are there, Teagan?
11.
So there's 11 gummies. I don't know about you, but I could definitely eat more than 1 packet. How about you?
Definitely.
Yeah, so there's a lot of sugar in those, just a handful. Okay, go ahead, pick another product.
How about the tomato soup?
So Campbell's tomato soup. So one thing that's important to know about Campbell's soup is that according to the can, there's 2.5 servings per can. I don't know about you, but I don't get 2.5 servings out of a can. I definitely consume the entire can. So under the plate here is going to show you the entire amount of sugar in the entire can. So in 1 can of Campbell's tomato soup, there's 20 grams or 5 teaspoons of sugar. That means if you eat 1 can of soup, you've already consumed almost the entire amount of sugar that's allowed in a day. Okay, what's next, Teagan? Heinz ketchup. Heinz ketchup.
Pittsburgh favorite.
Pittsburgh favorite. So in Heinz ketchup, there's 1 teaspoon or 4 grams of sugar in 1 tablespoon of ketchup. So the important part here again is back to serving size, and if it's something that you all are interested in, we can do another short video about reading nutrition labels because it's really important to know how to do that. So in 1 tablespoon of sugar, or 1 tablespoon of ketchup, there's 1 teaspoon or 4 grams of sugar. That's not a big serving. So it's very easy to consume a lot of sugar very quickly just by eating ketchup. Okay.
Last but not least, definitely not least, Mountain Dew.
So Mountain Dew. So again, I'm going to tell you pay attention to serving size on this because this is the smallest, basically almost the smallest amount that you can purchase. It's a can of soda. So in 1 can of Mountain Dew, there is 46 grams or 11.5 teaspoons of sugar. That means if you drink 1 can, just 1 can of Mountain Dew, you've consumed almost twice the amount of recommended sugar in a day. And if you really find that interesting, Google Mountain Dew mouth. The other thing is there's a great movie. So if you found this interesting and you kind of want to learn more, it really does make a difference. It impacts your health. I had patients who just by cutting sugar out dropped 15 pounds in just a few months. That's it. That's all they did was just monitored how much sugar they were consuming, especially in drinks, because drinks are really, really high in sugar if you're not paying attention. There's a great movie. It's called That Sugar Film, and it's free on YouTube. And it really goes in depth about the impacts of sugar, how it affects your body, and it's actually very entertaining. Teagan, did you like the movie?
Yes, and I would also like to say some things. During COVID-19, this is very stressful, and I would just like you to stay safe.
So please, everybody stay safe. Again, these videos are for you. We hope that you enjoy them. We would like to add some more. It's a passion of mine, the health, because I don't want to go back to being 300 pounds. And so it's very, very important to me. If you like what you see, you can like, subscribe, and share. If you want to give some feedback, we appreciate the positive stuff. Go ahead and do that. Again, if you have ideas that you would want us to do videos on, we'd appreciate that too. So otherwise, everybody, keep your 6 feet social distance and stay safe. Thanks, everybody.